Right, shooting the early birds is kind of the unofficial first gasp of every asylum, where photographers, and those steampunks who know about it and can get to it, turn up and have a bit of quick photography of their costumes. I've turned up, as have a few other people, nice, lovely people, outside Lincoln Cathedral. It's Thursday night. There is a formal, actual timed event, a pirate party, early birds meal on tonight. We are not going. We've just turned up for a bit of photo shoot to get a feel of the place, have a quick drive around, scan out parking for the next few days. But we can see it's not a bad turnout, which is good.
The dunking contest.
I'm not making it.
Yeah.
Have you finished, Luke? John? Hello, darling.
What's your stick?